Before listing your Tesla for sale, start by thoroughly detailing and cleaning both the inside and outside. A clean vehicle not only looks more appealing, but also shows potential buyers that you've maintained it well. Next, gather all your important documents. This includes the vehicle title, complete service records showing maintenance history, warranty information, and any other relevant paperwork. Having these ready builds trust with buyers. Now, take professional quality photos and videos of your Tesla. Showcase the exterior from multiple angles, the interior features, touchscreen functionality, and any unique options. This visual presentation is crucial for attracting serious buyers. Finally, be completely transparent about any imperfections. Mention dents, scratches, or areas needing attention in your listing. This honesty avoids surprises and shows you're a trustworthy seller. Remember, thorough preparation not only makes your Tesla more appealing, but can also help you get the best possible price from interested buyers. Once your Tesla is prepared for sale, create a compelling listing on popular online marketplaces. Platforms like Tesla Motors Club, Craigslist, or specialized electric vehicle sites reach interested buyers effectively. Make your listing stand out by providing comprehensive details about the vehicle. Include current mileage, key features like autopilot capabilities, any upgrades or modifications, and the overall condition to help buyers make informed decisions. Research comparable Tesla models to set a competitive asking price. Use resources like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, or Tesla community forums to understand current market values and depreciation trends for accurate pricing. Respond promptly to buyer inquiries to build trust and keep potential sales moving. For interested buyers, arrange safe test drives in well-lit public areas to allow them to experience the vehicle's performance firsthand. Take advantage of Tesla's referral program, which provides credits redeemable for Tesla products, services, or even discounts on future purchases. Successfully referring a buyer can earn you benefits while helping complete the private sale process. Protect your personal data by performing a factory reset before transferring ownership. Access the reset option through your Tesla's touchscreen. Go to Service, Factory Reset. Alternatively, you can initiate a remote reset via the Tesla app. Ensure your car is parked and charged above 50% to prevent interruptions. The factory reset wipes saved profiles, navigation history, media preferences, and autopilot data. In 2025, Tesla added a secure wipe option compliant with GDPR and CCPA for enhanced data privacy. With a confirmed buyer ready, ensure both you and the buyer have active Tesla accounts linked to the app. This is essential for the transfer process. In the Tesla app, navigate to your vehicles section. Select the car you want to transfer ownership for. Look for the Transfer Ownership menu option in the vehicle's settings within the app. Enter the buyer's email address associated with their Tesla account. The app will verify this matches an active account. Once the email is entered, the Tesla app automatically generates a unique PIN code for this specific transfer. Share this PIN code with the buyer through a secure method, such as in person or via encrypted messaging. Never share it publicly. Remember, as the seller, you remain legally responsible for the vehicle until the buyer accepts the transfer and it fully processes through Tesla's system. The buyer receives a notification in their Tesla app about the transfer request. They must review the vehicle details, such as the VIN number, mileage, and other specifications before accepting the transfer request. Upon acceptance, Tesla electronically transfers ownership instantly, updating the title in their database and notifying relevant parties, like insurance providers. This process is usually instant, but EU regions may have a 7-day waiting period for regulatory checks. Ensure all payments have cleared before finalizing the transfer to avoid any issues. While Tesla handles the digital transfer, you'll still need to handle some paperwork. This includes creating a bill of sale, which documents the sale price, date, and names of both parties. A bill of sale is a simple document that legally records the transaction details. Depending on your location, you might also need to complete emissions checks or other state-specific forms to comply with local regulations. Make sure to provide the buyer with all necessary documents, including the bill of sale and any required forms, so they can properly register the vehicle in their name. Always enable multi-factor authentication for your Tesla account. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access and fraud during the transfer process. In the app, go to Security Settings and scan the QR code with an Authenticator app to generate passcodes. This protects your account even if someone gets your password. If the factory reset process fails on your Tesla, don't proceed with the transfer. Contact Tesla support right away through the app or website. Make sure the vehicle is parked safely and has at least 50% battery charge before attempting the reset. A failed reset could leave personal data on the vehicle, compromising privacy. Before initiating the ownership transfer, double-check the buyer's email address multiple times. Entering the wrong email could send the transfer to someone else, potentially leading to loss of ownership or legal issues. Tesla's system requires both parties to have active accounts, so verify the email is correct and belongs to the actual buyer. Stay vigilant against scams during private Tesla sales. Criminals may try to trick you into transferring ownership before payment is complete. Always use secure payment methods like wire transfers or escrow services. Never hand over the car keys or complete the transfer until funds are fully cleared in your account. Keep your Tesla app updated regularly. The transfer process and security features are constantly evolving. Updates may include new safeguards against fraud or improvements to the user experience. Check for updates in your App Store to ensure you're using the latest version. Looking ahead, Tesla is rumored to be piloting blockchain-based ownership records starting in 2026. This technology would make vehicle ownership transfers more secure and immutable, using tokenized assets to prevent fraud. Keep an eye on app updates for this innovative security enhancement.